All right, during a freeze, if we're going to get winds from the north on the side of your house, you want to protect any exterior pipes from the wind and the rain. There's several different ways to do that. First of all, this one's already been wrapped with pipe insulation with tape around the outside to protect it. This will give you a little bit of protection, not the best for a long period of time. When I say a long period of time, if it's freezing for more than a full day, this probably is not going to protect the pipe. Other way you can protect it is you buy one of these that you can simply attach onto this and then put this through and then pull your little stopper up all the way and then put a blanket or something behind this to fill up the space. That is another way to block the wind from getting to the faucet. The other way, the way I like to do it, that everybody has in their home, is get you a towel, take the towel, wrap it around it several times, and you don't have to make it tight. You want air in there. The air is an insulator as well, but the key here is to make sure you put a rain jacket on top of it. This insulates the pipe. This keeps the towel from getting wet, which then protects everything during the rain. So you would wrap this up. Yep. Start over. Put your plastic bag over the top of this. Take the plastic bag, wrap it around several times. And when you get it on there, what you want to make sure is that the top is all one piece. That way any rain hits this, it'll run it to the bottom. You can take your good old gray tape, black tape, whatever kind you have. Wrap right around it. That'll keep it from coming off. As simple as that. There's nothing fancy to it.